Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss about the projection of uniform circular motion on any diameter is simple harmonic motion. Is simple harmonic motion. So the question Telangana and Andhra Pradesh intermediate board level most important question for LAQ 8 marks. So at the same for preparing NEET and JEE students purpose also very useful. Now projection of uniform circular motion on any diameter is SHM. On any diameter is SHM. So basically what is SHM? Simple harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion. So now we can define simple harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion. A body is said to be in SHM the acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement in magnitude but opposite direction. From the main position and always directed towards fixed point. Fixed point means main position. Fixed point in its spot. Is called SHM. Is called SHM. It's called SHM. So once again, a body is said to be in simple harmonic motion. The acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement in magnitude, but opposite direction from the main position Main position nothing but fixed point, main position, and always directed towards a fixed point in its path is called SHM. Is called SHM. So our question means projection of uniform circular motion on any diameter is SHM. So generally circular motion means like this, that means the particle to move around the circumference. Circumference means there is no mean position. So you are asking projection, for example, if the particle here, projection exactly center, if the particle here, projection here, particle here, projection here. Okay, for example, we are standing before mirror. Our projection, we have to see in the mirror. So here not object, only projection on the SHM. Object means particle moves along the circle of radius, something that is circular motion. Or any motion should repeat same or same time in periodic motion. But in a simple harmonic motion means not particle. So projection, if the particle here, projection of the particle under SHM. Now proof. So once again, simple harmonic motion, how can you define? A body is said to be in SHM. The acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement in magnitude, but opposite direction from the mean position, and it's directed, and always directed towards a fixed point, mean position in its path is called SHM. Now we can prove proof. So like this is one of the circle x dash y dash. These are two diameters x dash y dash. These are two diameters on the circle. So like this is known as fixed point. Fixed point. That means now consider a circle of radius a. So up to here radius a. So consider a circle of radius a. X dash y dash is the mutually perpendicular. X dash perpendicular to y dash. They are 90 degrees. These are mutually perpendicular. Suppose if the particle start from here, if the particle P, now consider particle P moves along the circumference of circle of radius A. Circle of radius A. So if the P moves along the circle of radius, circumference of circle of radius A, the projection N makes to and fro oscillations. To and fro oscillations on y dash diameter. Suppose at t is equal to 0 time, particle position where this point. After a time t, the particle to reach particle from x to here. After a time t, the particle to reach x to p. The projection shifted. So initial position, if the particle at this position, projection we have to observe here. If the particle after a time t, the particle position here. Projection shifted. Yeah, projection. Yeah. Projection N. At the same time on x-axis, projection here. projection M. So here particle makes angle with x dash axis, that is theta. Here theta is equal angular displacement. So once again, consider a particle. So write down one point. Consider a particle P moves circumference of circle of radius A with uniform angular velocity omega. So it's an actually particle consider P moves on the circumference. Consider a particle P moves on circumference of circle of radius A with uniform angular velocity omega. Uniform angular velocity omega. Let O be the center of circle and x dash y dash or mutually perpendicular diameters, mutually perpendicular diameters. Diameters of the circle. So let Pn be the perpendicular drawn y dash diameter. Y dash diameter. Y dash diameter from the y dash diameter. As P moves on the circumference of the circle, P moves circumference of the circle and makes to and fro. N mean projection of particle P. N makes to and fro oscillations about fixed point for roaming center or minimization. Equation. Suppose P here and here. So P to reach this point and here only P to this point. Projection here. P to reach this point. Projection here. P to reach this point. Projection here. P to reach this point. Projection here. And finally come to here. Come back. And that means if the particle completed one circuit on the circumference, the particle completed one circle on the circumference, N makes one oscillation. N makes one oscillation. If the particle completes one circle on circumference, N makes one oscillation about main position of main position in SS. Next point. At any instant or at any time, t, the particle moves from X to P. Particle moves from X to P. Projection. Shifted to O to N. O to N. That means Y. Shifted to Y. Where Yn is equal. Yn is displacement of the projection of the particle. Yn is the displacement of the projection of the particle. That is going to be Y. Y. From triangle NOP is equal to MOP is equal to angular displacement theta. Angular displacement theta. displacement of n in projection. From triangle NOP, these are similar angles. NOP sin theta is equal to sin omega t, that is equal to what is the opposite side, ON by OP. So therefore sin omega t, ON mean y, OP is equal to a. This is written here. Y is equal to a sin omega t. Y is equal to a sin omega t. This is projection of the displacement of the projection of the particle. Y is equal to a sin omega t. Next, velocity. Velocity V. Velocity means the rate of change of displacement is called velocity. The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. It's called velocity. Here velocity V is equal to rate of change of displacement y dy by dt. V is equal to dy dt of y by how much? A sin omega t. So after simplification, V is equal to a omega cos omega t. This is displacement. So you will simplify in margin. A is equal to dy dt of a sin omega t. Here with a is constant, that is will take common, there is no differentiation. Dy dt of sin omega t cos omega t. So a first derivative completed. Dy dt of sin omega t cos omega t. Next here t is variable, omega is constant. So second derivative omega. So now here omega common, dy dt of dy dx of. So dy, for example, dy by dx 1. And for example, t derivative of t is a power is equal to only 1 is there. That power becomes 2. This value is not right. So here power 1 is there. 1 into n minus 1. So that means here power 1 minus 1 0. So t power 0 value becomes to 1. That means only omega remaining. So finally V is equal to a omega cos omega t. Next one, acceleration. Acceleration. The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. A is equal to dv by dt. So d value how much, v value how much, a omega cos omega t. The derivative is the minus omega square a sin omega t. A is equal minus omega square y. Since a sin omega t is equal to how much? Y. So here omega angular velocity, uniform angular velocity, that is constant. So a proportional to minus y. A proportional to minus y. And that means here acceleration directly proportional to displacement and towards mean position or fixed point. Here negative sign is indicated towards the fixed point. Acceleration displacement one side, acceleration one side. So acceleration proportional to minus 5. Here what displacement? Projection displacement. Under the particle, projection of the particle to applicable to a proportional to minus 5. That's why. So the projection n makes simple harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion. Therefore, the acceleration n is directly proportional to its displacement. Hence, the projection of uniform circular motion of particle on any diameter. Diameter is essential. Thank you.